This is not everyday hair, sure you know that.
My sister wear every day. If
I can't be in the
you
kitchen.
buy another one. Don't tell me that.
Hey guys, I have some new wigs collection here.
Yes, it's my wife's happy day.
I'm going to be trying the wigs here. Let my husband do the rating. Like, it's no longer in news that he loves short hair. Anytime you see me with long hair, when me and my husband they go out, he doesn't know out of stubbornness. He just loves short hair. I don't know
why. This is my best. He's actually wearing my best now.
So I add some collections to my hair. So I'm going to be trying them. Let him do the rating. So let's wear my husband's favorite. This is his favorite. Like, he loves this color. Let's put it on. Let's see how it looks on me. Whether I go make me feel I'm working.
Now, let me see if I'm going to change my favorite right now.
Okay, so guys, this is it. This is 12 inches. I love short hair. If my hair wants to be short, let it be short. I always love one length. So anytime I want to order already made wig, like this one, I wig them myself. Anytime I want to order already made wig, I always go for 12. Then I will not reduce it to what I want. This I don't want. I don't love my wig, my short hairs to be 12 or 10. It has to be in between. So this one is 12 inches. I've not really worked on it, so let's put it on. So I just removed the black one now. Baby, me one.
No problem. Let's see.
I never wear a finish.
This is bombing me. This is bombing me already.
I haven't. I'm not
You see,
done.
guys, how do you express your love to your wife?
Is this that
My
yes?
wife came to me and told me, honey, I want to have a new class. Which I want to a new bombastic of my hair radiology. And I said, my wife, no problem. I'm going to react.
Wait a minute, 1 minute. Let me ask. I'm not done.
No problem, my dear.
So, you see what I'm talking about?
Oh.
I don't love my short wig resting on my shoulder. It has to be bouncing.
It has to bounce. And I
will always love you. Stop.
Yeah, this is my wife, my investment.
So,
how are you now?
He actually loved this color. When I want to get with like that, he will be the one to select what he wants. Yeah. And I love to wear what my husband loves.
Yes. What I see outside, I bring it home. If I see any chiquito outside who wears what I like, I tell my wife, you can be that chiquito.
Wait, you talk too much. So when he screenshot me this color, I was like, I love hair, color hair, but blonde on like this is not something I don't think it will suit my face. But right now, I must say, it's looking nice. I just have to do it.
I admire you.
You like to be your bites are here.
Oh,
so I just have to
go party. I call it spread. You see now how your wife look. Now people they look you.
So I just have to do a bit touch as a hairstylist that I am.
Yes, my wife.
Just a bit.
Just touch it anyhow you want to touch it. You can even,
so let's hear the next one.
You can touch me also while you're touching the hair. I don't have problem.
Let's hear the next one.
Yes.
Speaking luxury.
Yes. Look, okay. I'm evaluating this hair. Remove your hands, let me evaluate.
And this is actually my favorite. This is my favorite.
This is bombastic.
Yeah, it's giving a vibe of black.
Yes, it's giving a vibe of black.
The same look of black
but
hair.
I think this cloth
is not going together. It's not matching.
This one, the first one you wore,
match the clothes.
Scatter, not use the right one. It destroy.
It's scatter.
It embezzle the public fund of the clothes structure.
I think you should speak.
Yes. So this one, which
like the wigging of this hair, everything about this hair is excellent for me. But remember, I said I don't like 12 inches. I don't like 12 inches. I don't like 10 inches. I don't like the look it gives me. Like just the way I arrange my black. So I will still touch it a bit to be in between 10 and in between 12. Yeah.
Yes.
Look at that.
What you want to touch? It's okay. I like the way it falls.
No.
My sister, I don't touch anything.
You sure?
Don't try it. Don't try it.
And also, it's not giving me equal length.
It's giving me.
When you look at
I don't know. But for me,
yeah, that's what I say. When you look at it in a professional way, it's not giving me equal length. Okay, let me still drag it down.
Oh wow, it's my wife.
You took me now.
Sorry, my epitome of beauty.
You never thought I look like one.
My wife. You look like Rosemary.
Who be Rosemary?
No, I mean you look like you. You look like my sweet baby, sweetheart.
Who be Rosemary?
I don't call name me. Now just say my test you. Just pick that one.
You see, an inside joke that they talk truth.
Come over there. Clear why?
Man needs to know need to tell me who is Rosemary.
This woman knows.
So I love this one, but it can't be like saying that my husband own like
this one is good. No, I think because of the clothes.
It flashed
give you give you dun.
And you
yeah, but this one is beautiful. There's what you will wear when you wear something like dark, something darker.
Yeah, no, you can't wear something darker and put on this when you're wearing a sharp color.
I'm trying to consider the clothes.
Really?
Like it's also a bumble, but and you say when you go wear the best of matching.
This is beautiful. Yes. The touch, of course, all the hairs.
Shake her, man. Shake her. They shake.
They shake.
They shake. Hey, that's it, man.
Look at that.
That's it, man.
Yeah, the hair is really nice. So I'll try and cut off the lace and arrange it well to my taste.
Yes, taste. To my wife's taste.
So let's get the next one, guys.
Yes, roll it, my wife.
This is when my husband never started to speak grammar. You don't like this one?
I don't feel am.
You don't feel am? Really? I feel am.
They feel am small, but
they feel am small.
Because they won't enter my eye, won't cry.
See, when it's like this, you feel it, but you see, all the lengths are equal.
But that short, you go do your face, you go change you.
They give you a luxury face. This one is still fine. See what else I don't like this one, guys.
Only raise.
Yeah,
only raise.
Baby, it's fine.
When you buy in the sleep.
Not gonna make me tired.
If you find shower, but I'm not feeling.
See, I have give me that picture. I have something like this before. This is the one I have before on this one. Almost the same shower. Hi, Benny. This is a darker wine bogodin. A darker one, I think same length, 16 inches. So I just want this one to be like a straight one because that one I can coil it, but this one I don't want to be coiling it.
It's fine, Sha. It's fine. As you bring and come two sides now, it's okay.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
But still,
those two.
Short hair remains my favorite.
Hey God, my husband has short hair.
This and the hair I say when you buy, you not buy them. If you use that until you replace it.
I feel it's
grey. I think it's grey.
Yeah.
Buy grey. Grey.
How would grey look like on me?
I will find grey online. Show you grey.
You don't use grey Katani anywhere.
If I see grey hair, I say,
you don't send me celebrities with grey hair. I was like, grey.
It's very beautiful.
If it look good on me though, because me, anything I put for my skin, unless I don't just want the thing to look good on me. That's why I can come out classic. I can still come out as old woman.
Grey hair is bombing.
It can look good on me though. I'll try.
You go buy grey hair now.
Ha! Hey! My favorite this one first, okay.
So if I go out of the blue guy.
So if but if I come here and not come fit me.
It will fit
so
you.
Guys, let me know under the comment section which of this hair you love most, or which of this hair looks good on me. I'll be saying not like this one, but for me I like it.
I'm not feeling. So guys, if you need this hair, send us a DM.
Yeah, I
don't want that. To you anywhere you are.
I never now you want you said to give away. So it's looking nice. You feel the because it's equal length, equal cut to length. You feel it more on the back. I love it. No, mama, I was like.
So just send. Man, not send. Me send. Yeah, no send DM.
No send DM. Okay. I like you. No, mama, I was. So guys, let me know in the comment section which of this hair is your best. Like, which one do you love most on me?
The white.
I love this one because it's 16 inches. That's a blonde.
This. Oh.
Yeah, it's called blonde.
After from the moon, you stand in moon.
This one is equal.
I'll give away.
Yeah.
This stuff. What I see is a paradise. Where my help from me, man, they feel you. This is the best of it.
Okay.
This is sharp. It's gonna cut your hand, please. See now, see, classic. See now, angelic. See now.
You sure you know this is not every I'll cut it out.
You can't roll well.
This is not everyday hair, sure you know that.
My sister wear every day. If
I can't be in the kitchen.
Buy another one. Don't tell me that. You dey kitchen, wear am. You dey sleep, wear am. You dey bath, wear am. You dey trek, wear am. You dey inside dream, wear am. This is what I need.
Guys, the hair is hairy. I'm not kidding. Look at that. I'm not feel we get again. I make me all that cap. So guys, let me know that the comments.
So let's go. We have a date, guys. See you guys. We have a date.
Oh, you told me.